Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh students, wishing you a beautiful day. Today we will learn a new topic, before, after and between. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of these three words, before, after and between. Now see, what is this? See, what is this? This is the view of a jungle. And what is this? This is a river. And what are these? These are animals. Which animal is this? Lion. And this? Bear. And this? Kangaroo. And this? Elephant. These animals are standing in a line in a queue waiting for their turn to drink water from the river. They are waiting for their turn. Lion is standing in the first place, and in second place bear is standing, and then kangaroo is standing, and after kangaroo elephant. See, the term comes after. So what is the meaning of after? After means बाद में. After means बाद में. The meaning of after is बाद में. And what is the meaning of before? See, bear is standing before the kangaroo. Bear is standing before the kangaroo. So what is the meaning of the term before? Before means pehle. The meaning of before is pehle. Meaning of before is pehle. Now tell me, who is between the bear and elephant? Who is between the bear and elephant? See, which animal is between? This one. Kangaroo is between bear and elephant. So what is the meaning of the term between? बीच में. The meaning of term between, बीच में. Now see, before पहले, after बाद में, between बीच में. Before पहले, after बाद में, between बीच में. So the meaning of before is before, बाद में, पहले, after बाद में, between बीच में. After lion, who will drink the water? Yes, bear. Bear will drink the water after lion. And after bear, kangaroo. And after kangaroo, elephant. Now tell me, who is before bear? Who is before bear? Yes, lion. Lion before bear. So we have learned the meaning of the three terms before, after and between. Now we will solve some exercises related to the before, after and between concept. See, these are the exercises. Here numbers are written, and here we have to write down the number which comes after these numbers. So which number is this? 12. After 12, which number comes? 13. Yes. So here we write down in this column number 13. 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? 18. So here we have to write down the number which comes after the 18. Which number comes? 19. Yes. How we write down 19? 1, 9, 19. So like this you have to solve all these questions. Now come to this line. Here numbers are given, and in this column you have to write down the number which comes before these numbers. Which number is this? 1, 4, 14. So which number comes before 14? Any guesses? Yes, 13. Number 13 comes before 14. How we write down 13? 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? 28. Which number comes before 28? 27. 2, 7, 27. Now just like this you have to solve this column by yourself. And in this column we have to write down the number which comes in between these numbers. Which number is this? 22. And which number is this? 24. Now tell me which number comes in between 22 and 24. Number 23 comes in between. 2, 3, 23. Which number is this? 27. And which number is this? 29. So find out which number comes in between 27 and 29. The number 28. 2, 8, 28. That's all. So you have to solve the exercise related to the concept before, after and between. Keep practicing.